I need to go in the local market, guys. I need to buy bars.
Maliksi naman, bago puntigero ko. Bago, puntigero. Ito na doon.
Another gate over there, guys, in the back. Sarap ng
Kwenta?
Bili ko dako ha.
Ayan.
Anak dong.
Ano eh?
Ay kurang
Manuhog to.
buwang pan.
Ano, tayo makayo.
Wala siya.
Ibay buko, guys. 50 pesos. Lower. Last time is 60. I need to back to the window. I think this way. Go this way. Another way. A lot of people doing paint the outside of the building. I think much better if you stay right here, good. Maybe it's not nice. This is colored seeds. Colored seeds. Hi guy, I need to do cleaning guy. Today is Friday. I think 6 days left here before to move another condo. We do cleaning guy because today is stay home Friday. Have a Nazarene translation, so very traffic anyway. Some of the area is closed. Government is no work today. I don't know if some area have because Quiapo and Baclaran have parade of Nazareno. So that's why stay home. So we do clean up. Cleaning tayo guys, cleaning. We do clean guys. Good thing have have broom. I like this kind of broom guys. This is called Walis Tambo. Walis Ting Ting is from the guys, from the coconut leaves. I need to do over here guys because dusty over here in the we do that guys. I always cleaning the condo guys like my own house. This is 2 bedroom. So we need to go the other bedroom over here. We stay here for 1 month only, guys. 1 month. We put all of the stuff over here in the second bedroom. And the other bedroom, that is our living room. So that's why every time they get a condo, guys, my husband get a 2 bedroom instead of 1 bedroom. Continue cleaning. Mag-clean tayo. Clean, clean, clean. Until the kitchen. Let's do map, guy. Mag-map tayo, guy. I found this guy, put over there. Like that pala to, guy. Amazing. Turin. Another. Oh, I like this map. So, we need to do mapping then. Like that. Pero pag map mo yung ganun. Mag-map ka ng ganyan, guys. Mapping. Naglilinis ako sa kondo, guys. Clean up the condo. Pero parang di man matanggal. What is this? I leave my shoes over here.